Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is a Chappy's Tiki Bar original. It's a riff on the Italian drink Bianco Neve. Bianco means white and Neve means snow. We're going to tiki this up. I call this a Bianco Sabbia, which means white sand. So the Italian drink, the Bianco Neve, it's a gin-based drink. So we're gonna tiki it up and we're gonna substitute the gin for rum. And then it also calls for simple syrup, but we're gonna use orgeat, and I have some falernum syrup, which is synonymous with tiki drinks. So let's get started on my Bianco Sabbia, white sand in Italian. All right. So we're going to start out with a dry shake to froth it up, and then we're going to add ice and cool it. Yeah. Full ounce of Sambuca. It's got to be the white Sambuca or the clear Sambuca because it's a Bianco white. So that's a full ounce of Sambuca, and then we're substituting the gin for rum. I got a really nice rum today. This is top shelf rum, Pyrat Rum. It even comes with a cork. So we'll go 1 ounce of rum. And then the original recipe calls for simple syrup, but again, we're going to substitute the simple syrup. So I got some orgeat with it, which is an almond flavored simple syrup, synonymous with Mai Tais. And then I have some falernum. This is falernum syrup. You can also get falernum, rum-based falernum. That's a mouthful. And we'll just do a 1/2 ounce of the falernum. And this is the tricky part. This is what's going to make it white and frothy. I'm going to use the 1 egg white. Oopsie. Here, we'll try to stop the yolk from getting in there. Okay. Mission accomplished. All right, so we're just going to do a dry shake. A dry shake is without ice to froth it up. Shake it vigorously. All right. Very frothy. And now we're just going to add some ice to cool it down. So another shake. And we're just going to strain that on in my martini glass. And that, my friends, is a Tiki Bar original, the Bianco Sabbia. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.